travel, and also we kind of like discussed this idea of like, if it's a 4 count, followers start doing the if it's an 8 count, followers start to do a variation, and then it turns out to be 6 count. How do you deal with it? How your variations may change? Think about like what those kind of exits out of your variation.
Understanding how long the variation takes and where that ends you up, so that you know how to do it.
Yeah.
So we
follow us to the
start with this one from a promenade. We'll swoopies. Boom. Ah. I should this one. But then we go. Ah. I mean, 10, 2, 8. This is the 6 counter.
So 1 time 6 count. Since he's starting to lead me, I end up with a keep ball change. There are other things you can do, like they pull a little
same block
here.
and walk that we kind of show.
Like right outside the lots for the compass.
Yeah.
Try and show it. I'll try it. And then we did a variation that was kind of TOB break inspired. In promenade, it looked like this.
I guess I probably should do that. Where I am.
And then we did that in swing out in circle, talked about how that feels different, we were saying, and then we also tried it in 6 counts.
Yeah.
In the 6 count, like for example the send out, I will do ba 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 triple step. It's really tricky to go for that rhythm without like messing the rhythm of your partner.
Yeah.
Like stick with whatever rhythm you're doing, whether it's a basic or whether it's a variation.
Yeah, leaders, we talked about trying not to be overly influenced by your partner. If you have chosen to lead something, go with your own choice instead of trying to last minute adapt it in a weird way.
Or like the worst case scenario, just like stopping where everything drops, then things just the connection kind of disappears.
Yeah, so continuing the flow of the dance.
Yeah. And that's what we did. Thanks.